If you work in legal, eDiscovery, or digital forensics, this is the room you need to be in. Exterro XChange 2026 is coming fast and furious, and we are pulling out all the stops. This is not your average conference. Exchange is where the people who actually do the work, the practitioners, the investigators, the legal ops leaders, come together to share what's working, what isn't, and what's next. You'll walk through real workflow best practices in modern eDiscovery and digital forensics. You'll get hands-on with the latest in agentic AI, automated collections, data governance, and digital forensic investigations. Not in a product demo, but in actual working sessions built around your challenges and the way you do your work. And you'll learn directly from the experts, the people who work inside these tools every single day, sharing tips and tricks that you can take back as soon as you leave the conference to the rest of your team. Oh, and the venue? Nashville. It does not disappoint. The Country Music Hall of Fame, a rooftop reception, Luke's 32 Bridge. We said what we would deliver, and we're going to deliver a conference like no other. We also have some guest speakers that you are not going to want to miss, and they're going to excite this community in ways that we haven't seen before. Seats are limited. Register now at exterra.com/exchange, and we'll see you in Nashville.